Uh, Good day, everybody. I'm here to present. I'm here to present the code of conduct and code of ethics of the Ottawa Hospital Foundation. Now, first of all, what's code of conduct? What's code of ethics? Are they same? Uh, code of no. A code of conduct and a code of ethics are not same thing, although they are related. A code of conduct is a set of rules and guidelines that outline how individuals or organizations should behave in certain situations. It typically includes specific behaviors that are expected or prohibited, as well as consequence of violating code. A code of ethics, on the other hand, is a set of principles or values that guide ethical decision making. It is more focused on the underlying values and beliefs that should inform behavior rather than specific rules or guidelines. So, while there may be some overlap between the two, a code of conduct is generally more specific and concrete, while a code of ethics is more abstract and philosophical. Uh, Let me talk a little bit about the leadership ethics. Now, when it comes to ethics of leadership, you look at the ethical leadership, which means adhering to universally accepted standards of behavior. Ethical leaders serve as role models for their subordinates. Ethical leadership involves inquiry and a particular conduct of behavior. Ethical leaders recognize that leadership is about having a mutual relationship with followers. An ethical CEO makes followers makes mutual relationship with followers. An ethical CEO also makes room for two-way communication and set up a positive and encouraging atmosphere. Now, if you look at like an example now, when we say the CEO of the Ottawa Hospital Foundation ensures that all employees are aware of organization's conduct of code of conduct and they understand the importance of ethical behavior in a workplace. Also, the CEO of the Ottawa Hospital Foundation sets an example for other employees by always acting with integrity and making decisions that are best interest of the organization and its stakeholders. Now, if you look at the slide, you notice that we already have the Ottawa Hospital Foundation has a code of conduct and code of ethics template, which is well explanatory. It's okay. For example, now if you look at the first code of conduct and code of ethics, if you look at they have about 10 of it. They have a general statement of ethics, values, and philosophy. You see, yes, and you see a quote of it there. At the Ottawa Hospital, we are committed to providing each patient with world-class care, a remarkable service and care we would give to our loved ones. This is an ethical statement, this is a value, and this is a philosophy. Now, we can, let's look at two more. If you look at the criteria of decision making and compliance with law, yes, it also involves, they also involve asking right questions and compliance with law as contained in the Ottawa Hospital Foundation. It adheres to border public sector supply chain code of ethics, which sets forth supply chain principle governing the behavior of our hospital vendors and stakeholders. You understand? So if we actually go down, if we go down the slides, if we go down the slide of this thing, you see we still have more. We have that for conflict of interest, the identification and how it's handled. Yeah, that's by promoting higher standard of public and stakeholder trust and integrity through transparency and disclosure. Protection, they have the protection of corporate assets, including accurate accounting and recording, keeping security or property and inside information. They are up to 10 of it. actually on this slide. And if you look at, we have the specification of enforcement compliance procedures and penalties for inappropriate or illegal behavior. Now, if you look at what it's on their code of ethics and code of conduct, you see it said the hospital ensures that confidentiality of the case by conducting an appropriate investigation based on the outcome of an investigation. A range of sanctions may be imposed, ranging from formal warning to immediate termination of business partnership with the Ottawa Hospital Foundation. Additionally, there's a possibility of disqualification for engaging in future business opportunities with the Ottawa Hospital Foundation. So I think with these few points, you can see that they have a robust template for their code of conduct and code of ethics. So thank you very much. I think this is all for me. I'll stop sharing. Thank you.